Hi everyone, Amanda here, just talking to you guys today about the importance of our gut health. So, you may have heard about how much it influences our overall body, so our immunity, our mental health, the microbiomes in our guts pretty much control everything. Our gut is considered our second brain. So there's a multi-lane freeway going from our brain to our gut, sending out different signals, different messages the entire time. So that's why supporting your gut is so vital to your overall health. Now, doTERRA have in their Home Essentials kit this amazing oil called DigestZen. This is one that we use daily. I am not real great with dairy, so I like to, if I ever treat myself, I like to get, pop some in a few capsules or in my water. And another option is simply taking the lid off and then pushing this to the roof of your mouth. Just holding for a few seconds. The taste is really nice. I like black licorice, I love licorice. So, if you enjoy licorice, you'll love the taste. Otherwise, you can apply it directly to your stomach with some fractionated coconut oil, and that will just help to reduce any bloating, any gas, any discomfort, and to the soles of your feet. So they're some great ways to use it. DigestZen, there's quite a few different items in the range. They also have the DigestZen gel caps, which are amazing. If you don't want to taste it and you're not a big fan of the smell, you just pop it in. I should mention that DigestZen you can diffuse in your car. So if you have someone who struggles from motion sickness, just pop it in your car diffuser as you're traveling along and it will help. And it's also really calming. So if you're someone who suffers from butterflies, from that real nervous feeling, maybe before a job interview, or just in general if you've got to do some public speaking or whatever it is, rub some of this on your belly and then take a deep breath, and that smell will go through, will help calm you down and then ease those butterflies in your gut, which is really cool. Now, in the DigestZen range, there is, as I said, the capsules, but they've also got some other incredible products, and one of them is TerraZyme. So TerraZyme is one that we actually use for our son. I use it as well, just for daily support. So it's really good, really great for supporting your metabolism, your digestive function. And the reason we're using it for our son is because it can help promote your body's own natural response to extracting nutrients from the food that you're eating. And because he has got a few dramas with his gut health and absorbing nutrients, that's why we've introduced this amazing product. Now, the other really cool one that we use every day, especially for my son, is PB Assist. We've got PB Assist Junior. It tastes like lollies. It's double encapsulated, which means that it can make it down to your bowel. Now, if you can get it down that far, it's awesome, because then it will help build your gut flora back up, help improve your overall health, and if you ask my son, tastes delicious. Now, there is another really cool product I've just ran out. It's called GX Assist, and that is a really gentle, natural way to help cleanse your body. So, if you have overindulged over the holidays, or if you've been on a trip away and you've been, eating foods that you wouldn't normally, it's definitely a great one to get in. And yeah, it will just help clear things out. Make sure you are taking either your PB Assist or your PB Assist Junior to help with that, to replace the good bacteria in your gut. And yeah, so anyway, I hope you're enjoying it so far. DigestZen is an oil that I am super excited about, and I love it. It's one that, I would be lost without. So I can't wait for you to try it, and yeah, let us know what you think to it. See ya!